Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about the flight from New York to Savannah. In this video we will discuss about the flight distance, flight duration, approximate ticket price, and how you can book a flight ticket online. So let's get started. So friends, first of all, let's talk about the flight distance. The total distance of this route is about 1150 kilometers. If we convert its distance into miles, that is 715 miles approximately. And if you book a non-stop flight for this route, it can take about 2 hours 27 minutes of your time. Now talk about the ticket price. So friends, ticket price are never the same. They vary from airline to airline and also change day by day. So that's why no one can tell you the exact price in advance. You will know the exact price only when you book the ticket. Okay, so I cannot tell you the exact price. Finally, let's talk how you can book a flight ticket. So for that you can watch this video. I have given the link in the description box also. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.